हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्नर्स साड़ा। फ्रेंड्स, जो मैंने पीजी एंट्रेंस प्रिपेयर होती से प्रैक्टिस सेट प्रोवाइड करुच्ची। आज पॉलिटिकल साइंस रो 30टा क्वेश्चन आनी सेट नंबर 4। जो मैंने 3टा सेट पूर्वर देखी ना प्ले लिस्ट रही जाए देखीदेवे। क्वेश्चन 1, द इंग्लिश वर्ड पॉलिटिक्स originates from 3 Greek words like policy, polity, politico, B, policy, polity, politia, C, polity, political, polis, D, politia, pol or polis। आंसर हम ऑप्शन बी, पॉलिसी, पॉलिटी और पॉलिटिया। क्वेश्चन 2, Plato and modern idealists have accepted the state as a or an dash institution। Option A social, B ethical, C economic, D political। आंसर of option B, ethical। Question 3, politics is struggle for power was said by ऑप्शन ए थॉमसन, बी स्प्राउट, सी क्विंसी राइट, डी मॉर्गनथाउ। आंसर अब ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन 4, डैश वाज एन इटालियन मार्क्सिस्ट एंड पायोनियर ऑफ नियो मार्क्सिज्म। ऑप्शन ए लेनिन, बी मैकआइवर, सी ग्राम्स्की, डी मिलीबैंड। आंसर of option C। Question 5, the traditional view of politics deals with option A ideologies, B institutions, C the study of state and government, D groups and associations। आंसर of option C, the study of state and government। Question 6, John Rawls has constructed his celebrated theory of justice। John Rawls has constructed his celebrated theory of justice by drawing on the methodology of option A Mill and Kant, B Locke and Mill, C Rousseau and Kant, D Locke and Kant। Answer of option D, Locke and Kant। Question 7, who among the following advocates the group theory? Option A Truman, B Bentley, C Kurzweil, D all of the above। Answer of option all of the above। Answer of option D। Question 8, Plato's concept of justice was based on option A political considerations, B social considerations, C religious considerations, D ethical and philosophical considerations। Answer of option D, ethical and philosophical considerations। Question 9, which Indian act created federal polity for the whole of the Indian? Option A India Act of 1919, B Indian Act of 1935, C India Act of 1861, D India Independence Act of 1947। Answer of option B India Act of 1935। Question 10, which of the following features of the Constitution of India does not resemble the American Constitution? Option A federal form of government, B written constitution, C fundamental rights, D parliament form of government। Parliament form of government। आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी parliament form of a government. Question 11. What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mine? Option A 14 years, B 16 years, C 12 years, D 18 years. Answer of option A 14 years. Question 12. The directive principles in the Indian Constitution are drawn on the lines of the option A French Constitution, B American Constitution, C Canadian Constitution, D Irish Constitution. Answer of option D Irish Constitution. Question 13. If a minister of a state wants to resign, to whom he should address the letter of resignation? Option A Governor of the state, B leader of his political party, C Speaker of Vidhan Sabha, D Chief Minister. Answer of option D Chief Minister. Question 14. In the case of disagreement on a bill in the two houses of parliament, option A the Prime Minister intervenes, B a special parliamentary committee is formed to resolve the situation, C the President cast a deciding vote, option D a joint sitting of the two houses of parliament is convened. Answer of option D a joint sitting of the two houses of parliament is convened. Question 15. Parliament or a state legislature can declare a seat vacant if a member absents himself without permission from the sessions for option A 60 days, B 30 days, C 90 days, D 120 days. Answer of option A 60 days. Question 16. Members of the Rajya Sabha are elected according to option A single transferable vote system, B single non-transferable vote system, C cumulative vote system, D none of the above. Answer of option A single transferable vote system. Question 17. Which of the following can be abolished but not dissolved? Option A Rajya Sabha, B municipal bodies, C state legislative council, D none of the above. Answer of option A Rajya Sabha. Question 18. A person who is not a member of parliament can be appointed as a minister by the president for a maximum period of option A 6 months, B 3 months, C 9 months, D 12 months. Answer of option A 6 months. Question 19. In case a president dies while in office, the vice president can act as a president for a maximum period of option A 1 year, B 2 years, C 3 months, D 6 months. Answer of D 6 months. Question 20. When a state governor dies or resigns, who normally exercises his functions till a new governor is appointed? Option A, Advocate General of the state. B, Chief Justice of the High Court. C, Secretary General of the Governor. D, a person designated by the state cabinet. Answer of option B, Chief Justice of the High Court. Question 21. The Prime Minister, Union Cabinet Minister, Chief Ministers and a Council of Ministers are all members of option A, National Development Council. B, Planning Commission. C, Zonal Council. D, Regional Council. Answer of option A, National Development Council. Question number 22. Which of the following is not true about the Supreme Court? Option A, it is the highest federal court of India. Option B, it can amend the constitution. C, it has only the appellate jurisdiction. Option D, it does not have the original jurisdiction. Answer of option A, it is the highest federal court of India. एटा ट्रू नुह सुप्रीम कोर्ट विषय. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. ए जज of the Supreme Court can be removed from office only on grounds of option A, proven misbehavior or incapacity. B, gross inefficiency. C, imbecile conduct. D, none of the above. Answer of option A, proven misbehavior or incapacity. Question number 24. As a result of the 42nd Amendment, which of the following has emerged as a supreme in the Indian constitutional framework? Option A, judiciary. B, parliament. C, executive. D, constitution. Answer of option B, parliament. Question number 25. The 73rd Amendment to the Indian Constitution pertains to which of the following? Option A, land reforms law. B, Panchayati Raj. C, Statehood of Delhi. D, none of the above. Answer of option B, Panchayati Raj. Question number 26. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Prime Minister. B, President. C, Parliament. D, Chief Justice of India. Answer of option B, President. Question number 27. The Election Commission does not conduct the elections to the option A, Rajya Sabha. B, Lok Sabha. C, local bodies. D, President's elections. Answer of option C, local bodies. Question number 28. In which year were the first general elections held in India? Option A, 1947 to 48, 1947-48, B, 1948-49, C, 1950-51, D, 1951-52. Answer of option D, 1951-52. Question number 29. Which of the following works as the executive body of the Jilla Parishad? Option A, Working Committee. B, Municipal Committee. D, Development Committee. D, Notified Area Committee. Answer of option A, Working Committee. Question number 30. Which of the following is an extra constitutional and non-statutory body? Option A, Finance Commission. B, बी प्लानिंग कमिशन, सी इलेक्शन कमिशन, डी यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमिशन। आंसर हम ऑप्शन बी प्लानिंग कमिशन। फ्रेंड्स जो मानक वीडियो पसंद आसला प्लीज लाइक करूँ, जो मैंने सब्सक्राइब करना दयाकोरी सब्सक्राइब करने सहित बेल आइकन उपर प्रेस करूँ एवं निज सांग मान पाखक शेयर करूँ। धन्यवाद।